Hey guys, I'm going to put this video on our Pilots in Japan playlist because some pilots are concerned about these things for safety reasons. From the 20th of June, drones and other flying objects like you can see here on the screen that weigh more than 100 grams. So 100 grams is about, what, a good apple? A good apple weighs probably 100 grams. So most of flying drones or flying objects like this are going to be required to be registered by the Japanese government. You have to identify yourself with a passport or similar, and you have to pay a fee and register each drone or each aircraft with the government. So no surprises there. We knew this was coming. We showed you rules about where you can and can't fly drones in Japan before. They're quite strict. So we knew this was going to come, and we suspect that the next step is going to be that they're going to require people who use these things to have licenses and to do a course and get a license and pay a fee. We're guessing that's what's going to be next. So they're just concerned about safety, built up areas and things like that. Pilots and other people who's concerned with aviation sometimes worry about the safety aspect of them flying where there's aircraft, other aircraft, real aircraft. But just have a look at this funny thing. Look, see NG, that stands for no good. And this is a video about naughty people who fly without permission. Now have a look at him. Every criminal in Japan is supposed to look like that. Black mask, black hoodie, black shades. That's what a criminal looks like in Japan. Or someone that flies a drone without proper registration. That's what they look like. NG, no good. Anyway, there'll be a link underneath this video. If you're interested in more information about all that, there'll be a link to the government webpage. More videos coming soon.